Hey guys, here's a quick dad hack for you. My dad and I were checking out this stool, and one of the screws had fallen out, and we realized that it was stripped inside of there, so the screw was not actually able to go in. And so what we did is just stuck some toothpicks in there. You could use toothpicks or any type of small pieces of wood, and what it's going to do is just give it a little bit more strength so that the screws can actually fit in there and can actually hold what they're trying to hold. So again, we're trying to hold this small little piece of wood to the leg of the stool. So once you've done that and you've smashed some of those just little pieces of wood in there, now you'll grab your screw and go ahead and screw it in. So what this is going to do is going to give it more just surface area, so it's actually going to be able to grab and screw in there and hold and stick into where it's supposed to go. So this is a great way to fix something. If you have a screw that's not able to stay in there and it's wood, this is a great way to fix that. That way you have strength and stability and fix your stool. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips.